Redstone. It's not just redstone, it's a mix of mechanical components that allow you to build circuits in Minecraft. Today, I'll be showing you how you can use redstone dust, redstone torches, and redstone repeaters to help you build amazing creations in Minecraft. So, redstone repeaters, sticky pistons, are all some of the components of Minecraft's redstone library. Redstone dust is basically just a wire that can be powered by levers, buttons, redstone torches, or pressure plates. The signal strength of redstone can go up to 15 blocks long, and then will lose signal as it can't power anything else. As building complex redstone components goes, it's good. You can turn lights on and off. You can... Why is that? So you can turn lights on and off for redstone lamps. You can make pistons and sticky pistons extend and retract. And you can make dispensers, droppers, and crafters fire. Redstone dust can carry a signal strength of positive, carries a signal value of 1, which means it can only bypass a total of 1 block. So, if you were to do something like this, because it can't pass through redstone dust, can't pass through solid air, it can power this block, but not this block or this block. A good example is this, through redstone lamps. However, this block is a source block getting directly powered. Then, because this is getting powered, it spreads to the surrounding 4 blocks. Here, 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 and here. However, you cannot power stuff from these blocks, and other redstone components will get powered from these external blocks. The only way to mimic redstone dust's actions of the split is by using a redstone repeater that doesn't actually do a repeat loop, but rather extends the circuit. Here I have a long red line of redstone dust, and it fades out over here. You'll find that I get power here, get power here, if it would be extended. The point of redstone repeater allows you to extend the circuit, acting as it's the source or the lever. It can be used endless times. Another thing about redstone is delays. Redstone repeaters also can add delay to circuits. While clicking it, can change it to 1, 2, or 3 tick delay. 1, 2, 3, or 4 actually. 4 tick delay is 4 ticks. There is 20 Minecraft ticks in a second. That means 5 repeaters on maximum tick This is how you can wait 1 second in Minecraft. So after 1 second, that was actually 5 seconds, I'm pretty sure. I don't have time on the edit. You can also see that they take delay to time on and time off. So breaking one repeater doesn't cause more to instantly break. Powering this redstone lamp by a repeater allows for 2 pieces of redstone dust to be placed on either side, like this. Like this. Because this repeater was actually giving this a strength of 15. So these would still have a strength of 15 or 14. However, doing this with redstone dust does not work. As powering it with redstone dust only powers the direct block in front of it, not this one, or this one. As its signal value of 1, it gets depleted as it hits the redstone lamp. However, repeaters offer a signal value of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2. You get the idea. Another thing you can do is by using redstone torches. Redstone torches are just the fainter versions of regular torches. You'll find that there's a big difference of which is what. You can easily tell that the redstone torch is way less bright than regular torch. Quick tip. On a Nintendo Switch or a computer, doing a command, you can only have to do it once. On a computer, you can use the up and down arrow keys to look at your previous commands, and then just use them like normal. On Nintendo Switch, use the D-pad on the left Joy-Con to do the same thing. To do. Redstone components often require redstone dust to craft. Redstone torches offer the power to block directly above them and get that a carry on top. Give this value block 1. This value only gets 1. So it's more powerful to decide directly of this. However, one thing it can't power is the block that is Westagon. The block that is Westagon may be closer than any of the other blocks around it. However, because it's cherry on the stick, it can't. Similar to the torch, you can only place one of these on a block. Powers directly above, and then 2 above, not 3. I hear you, sheep. Redstone torches and all redstone components can't damage animals, although you can use some pistons to drop sand on them, or use them to prank friends. When TNT can also be activated by every redstone component with power. Some people choose to light it with flint and steel. The other choose to light it with redstone torch. I will shoot the slide. Redstone torches could be can be powered by a redstone repeater, but not if they're directly in front. Placing a block, powering a redstone torch on its side works to turn it on and off. Similarly, as most redstone components are red when they're on and fainter when they're off, the same goes for redstone torches, as they're basically key for inverting signals. You can also do a torch ladder by placing a block on top of this. On top of a torch, you can place another redstone torch on top to simply carry the signal. This is, although because redstone torches have some delay, you find that they're not instant from the timing from this to this. That concludes our tutorial of the redstone basics. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you again.